Kids, now we're going to talk about sentences, okay? Remember that we have two kinds of sentences. We have complete sentences and we have fragments. The complete sentence gives us a complete idea, but the fragment is usually an incomplete idea, okay? A complete sentence is divided in two parts, in subject and predicate. Usually what it tells us of the division is the verb. What is before the verb is usually the subject, and what is after the verb is usually the predicate, okay? Always look at the verb, and that will tell you the difference between subject and predicate. The subject talks about whom or what we are talking in the sentence. For example, if I say, the dog likes to run, the dog is our subject because that is what we are talking about, okay? The predicate is the other part of the sentence. It's the rest of the words of what we are talking about in the sentence. The action that has been done, the activity that they are doing, or the rest of the message that you have in the sentence. Remember that it's usually after the verb. If we say, the dog likes to run in the park, run in the park or likes to run in the park is part of the predicate, okay? You guys, remember that we talked about complete sentences, about the subject part and about the predicate part. And that usually we can find the difference if we locate the verb.